What's going on, guys? Charles here. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. I've been really busy, but I'm back to the normal schedule. Hopefully I can make a video every single week. So I'm focusing more on the quality more than the quantity these days. So let's get back to this. It's been a while. It's been almost a month. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna really push things forward. So my goal here is to finish the website today. And then what we're gonna do is we wanna start driving some traffic. That's really important. So I have a list here. We're gonna do the final touches. We're gonna do some advertising, a little bit. Nothing expensive, maybe like a couple of dollars. So to just some drive traffic and basically just finish the website. And another thing which is really important I want to talk about, that's going to be the first thing actually, is the content structure and content ideas. So I'm going to share a couple of content ideas with you guys so you can you have an idea of actually what to publish on the website. Because the idea here is that you want to publish content that doesn't take long to create, and it actually helps you to drive a ton of traffic to your site. So we're going to talk about that stuff. We're going to finish the site, and then just talk about some other stuff, maybe driving some paid traffic to see what happens. All right, and yeah, so there's a lot more, but I just want to get a lot done and just want to push us forward, move us forward in this video. So let's get started. Let's go to my computer and let's finish this thing. Okay guys, so let's get into it. So again, one of the things I want to talk about here is that since we're building a really kind of a complicated website, not complicated technically, but just like there's so many small stuff that you got to do that it's really hard to get everything right. So what I want from you is to just go through everything by yourself as well, and just see if there's something wrong in the website, something, just when something doesn't look right, you can just fix it by yourself. So there's a lot of stuff. That's why these videos are taking so long to create, because there's just so many things to do. And because I'm not completely familiar with the template, it's just taking me so long to actually go through the whole thing. So with that being said, here's the agenda, and here's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to go through the menus, go through some general settings and just kind of do some final touches. We're going to fix the footer content here, because if you actually take a look, this needs to be fixed. And we're going to clean some tags and useless categories. Let me show you an example here. So these are stuff that we're going to clean out, because obviously they're not related. Most of them are not related. So yeah, and we're going to finally add some banner ads. So that's how we're going to obviously we're going to add the advertising content first, and then after that I'm going to talk about your Facebook page and getting ideas and how to get ideas and stuff like that. And then we're going to talk about Facebook ads a little bit. I want to run some Facebook ads. Again, we're not going to spend too much money, maybe like a couple of dollars. I'm going to run 2 ads, one to just get likes for the page, one to get some clicks to the content that we created. And yeah, again, just really small amounts, maybe a couple of dollars, nothing too crazy here. So yeah, to just get the ball rolling, basically drive some traffic to the website. So yeah, so let's get into it, guys. So let's start with the menus. This is the most basic part. You want to go to appearance, menus, and start editing stuff. All right. So this is the main user menu. We can actually just change the menu here. Main user menu, everything's fine with that. We don't have to change anything. The secondary menu is the one, I think, with a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so you want to completely just delete this whole section, except this random article thing. Yeah. Beside that, you just want to delete the rest of them like this. Okay, so now that we clean it up, so we're just gonna save it, and that's gonna be it for that menu. There's a couple more, so you just have to go through all of it. That's the primary menu. So yeah, this one has a lot of useless stuff too, so we just want to delete this. You don't want to delete the features page, but the examples and stuff like that. You want to just get rid of all of that, and we're gonna delete the pages related to these stuff as well. So yeah, there's just a lot of deleting and stuff here, so just have to spend some time to get this done, guys. Alright guys, so it took a while, but I cleaned them all up, and there you go. So we just are left with the home, animals, funny, wow, and WTF. So that's pretty much all we need. So let's clean that up and save it. I believe there is one more menu. Let's take a look at it. That is the footer menu, so we don't really need it. So the contact us, actually we're gonna keep this, but GD, yeah, so that's fine, we'll keep that. So let's refresh this and let's take a look at it. So if you take a look, it's all simple, right? Just basic stuff, nothing crazy here. Alright, so that's the menus. Now let's go to the general settings. I just want to do a rundown real quick to the settings and go through it. So let's go to general. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm just gonna give it a tagline. So just give it something, you know, just describe your website, you know, what you're gonna post on it and stuff like that. So I'm going to say fun 24/7. Alright, whatever. Again, I'm not really thinking about this, but yeah, you can just spend some time, come up with a really cool slogan, something like that, and just use it. The rest are not really that important. I think this is gonna come handy later on. Anyone can register. I'm going to talk about this more because I need to look into this, because we're still finishing the site, so it's really not important right now. So next one is permalinks. You just want to fix that as well, so you just want to change this to post name. That's that. And let's see what else. There's a bunch of other types of permalinks, so you just want to check it out real quick. Shop, custom base, yeah, so that's for WooCommerce. Yeah, it should be fine. Alright, but you can change all this stuff in widgets, by the way, right here. You can just go here and just change this stuff. There you go. So just comments, you know, Instagram. If you want to add a different widget here, you can. Disclaimer and all that stuff. So yeah, let's add the disclaimer. I just want to say the content by fire doesn't accept response. Published by fire by our users and members. Yeah, just, you know, whatever you can come up with. I'm not really focusing on the content much here. So let's save this, and there you go. So in next videos, if you actually pay attention to the agenda here, next videos I want to talk about Instagram, YouTube, lead generation, because we want to make sure we have like a good lead gen system set up, because it comes with it, so we just want to might as well use it. And then we're going to talk more about viral marketing as well. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and clean the tags, and that's something really important, because that's just going to take a lot of weight off of the website. And yeah, so I'm just going to go to categories. We're going to start with that. You go to posts, there you go, categories, see if we have any useless categories. No, this is all good. So let's go to tags here. So yeah, so I just want to make sure we don't have any bad tags or useless tags. Basically, I saw a bunch of stuff. I just want to make sure. Sponsors, oh, there you go. I just didn't check the rest of them. Okay, yeah, so let's get rid of these. Alright, so yeah, featured stuff, we just want to get rid of it. And yeah, there's a lot more, so we just go clear this out. So yeah, so just, you know, the tags that are related to the template, not like the food and stuff, you know, just the tags that you need actually for your website. So yeah, just you want to clear that out basically. Yeah, all good. Alright, so the tags are cleared out. The next thing we're going to talk about is advertising and setting it up, because this is something really important that you have to have in place before you start driving traffic using, again, paid or free traffic sources, which we're going to talk about in this video and next videos. But yeah, it's really important to have that in place. Alright, so there are a lot of different types of advertising. You know, content-based advertising, that's like one of the most effective ways really to advertise and earn money from it. Basically, again, you can do after a while, when you build up some content, you can start having sponsored articles, meaning that you could basically just say, hey, these are articles that are sponsored, and you can just advertise for it. And because this is a website that people just browse around, they're going to come across your content, or they're going to come across your sponsored content, or you can just do advertising for that special content. So again, the whole idea is just kind of embed the ads, again, content, videos, posts, banner ads, whatever, into your website. So we're going to start with banner ads, okay, because that's just what we already have in place and something we could just get started with immediately. As you see, I already have one here, but I want to show you how to work with banner ads because it's really simple. Or advertising in general. So the first thing is you want to go to ads here and just create your ads. This is where you create just different ads and all that stuff. As you already have mine here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add one real quick. But another thing you want to do is you want to go to settings here and you want to go to add a. So this is your ads. Okay, these are your ads. This section where you control your ads. This section is where you control the placing of your ads. All right, so this is where you determine, okay, where do you want to show that specific ad. Okay, so yeah, if you take a look, there are a lot of different placements here in content. There's the sidebar, stuff like that. So let's actually open one of these because I want to see how it looks. And let's see, so I want to change the sidebar. Okay, so this is sidebar. So since we already have the ads here, I just want to look for the sidebar. That is 300 at 250. That's rectangle. That's the one. Alright, so that's the one. So now I want to find the placement here because I want to see where is that ad exactly. So that's the post, that's the global, and sidebar. On left, that's not the one. Gallery, sidebar, inside gallery. So yeah, so gallery, sidebar. Let's see which one is that exactly. I guess that's the one. So yeah, so let's just go ahead and edit this real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna see which one is the right one. So let's see. Again, this is something you gotta spend some time to just figure it out because you gotta see what which one of these ads are showing in what different spots, and I'm doing it with you really here. So I'm learning it as I do it. So yeah, let's just add the image. Okay, this is the banner ad that I want to advertise. Same thing for here. It's just like an HT version of it basically. So the link, I'm gonna get my affiliate link here. I'm promoting Varsity, okay, or CB Bootcamp, okay. And let's see, link, update, and let's see if this shows up here, or we need to change this. There you go. So as you see, the ad just shows up right here, and when someone clicks, it just takes them to the advertising website. Simple. So hey guys, this is how do you actually advertise on a website. So this is one way. The second way, which is like more professional and cool way, is to do sponsored content. Alright, so there's a section called sponsors here, and you can just add sponsors. Alright, so let's actually find that. Alright, so to find the sponsors, you want to go to posts and sponsors, and this is where you see all the sponsors. So the cool thing about this is that you can actually add a post and have that sponsor at the top, so it just looks more professional. Really cool stuff here. So let's add a sponsor. I'm just gonna call this University, and University of Slug, same thing, doesn't matter. Let me add a description here, and URL would be university.com. I could add a logo as well. Just gonna find it real quick. Let's see, hopefully this works fine. Alright, so let's add this one and add new sponsor. So what you can do here, you can just edit the post and add a sponsor, or when someone publishes a post, they can add a sponsor or stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of different ways you can advertise and just publish promoted content, basically promotional content on this website. So yeah, so let's continue with this whole thing. We're gonna talk about the content, and before we do that, let's remove the useless pages as well. Alright, so just want to go to pages, and there's a couple of pages that I just want to get rid of because we don't need them. Okay, so yeah, so for example, let's see, we're gonna keep this simple stuff, sample page, that's just something we don't need. And let's see, we're gonna keep the rest, and submissions, yeah, we keep all that stuff. There's a couple like pages that we just don't need really. There you go. Left sidebar, these are the ones. Yeah, so let's move that to trash, these two. And without sidebar, again, just want to, all these default template pages, we just want to get rid of them, right? To just clean up the site basically. And yeah, so we are good to go. Let's see if there's anything else. No, all good to go, guys. Hey guys, just a quick note, I was recording the video and I realized that we just passed the 20 minutes mark, and the thing is, I don't want to make videos longer than 20 minutes because it's not productive, and the thing is, it's kind of hard to get people to pay attention after the 20 minutes mark. So the next video is, we're going to continue this in the next video, and the thing is, next video is coming out really soon. It's not going to be like, you know, this one, because episode 2 or part 2 actually came out last month, so I'm not going to wait another 30 days. Okay, so just subscribe. Next one's coming out in a couple of days, and we're going to continue this stuff, and we're going to finish it hopefully, because the rest of based on the list I have here, the rest of them is just really small stuff. So yeah, so next one is coming out really soon, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. As always, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. I'm posting these videos, you know, I'm trying to post every single week. Sometimes I'm posting like twice a week, so make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Again, I'm trying to focus more on the quality rather than, you know, just posting videos every single day, because if you're a long-term subscriber of my channel, you know that I used to post a video every single day. Now you know, without all being said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue doing this because we have a lot more to do. I want to talk about SEO a little bit, and I want to talk about some viral marketing, basically just using the content on your website to just go viral, which is another thing that we're going to talk about in future. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to learn more all this stuff in detail, and if you want to get it, you know, learn stuff that usually I don't share on my YouTube channel, and also it's just stuff that is just going to help you to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. If you're serious about starting an online business, you should definitely check out the Gold Masterclass. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description, so check it out for yourself. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video or about these series. There are links to the other parts, part 1 to the rest of them under this video as well. And also I'm going to leave a link to the rest of the parts up here somewhere, so you're going to be able to find it. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.